Hey guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com. Today I'm going to teach you how to play The Gambler by Kenny Rogers. Let's take a listen. All right, yes, that was the guitar part. We're going to learn the guitar part on piano. Cool. All right, webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice. That's what I'm here for. I'm going to help you to do that. All right, here's our part one lesson here. As usual, all the lessons for this, because this is just the tip of the iceberg, but all the lessons are on the site. And if you even want to go over and view all the free part ones, you can do that. There are thousands of them. Kind of check them out. All right, so I am using the Kawai MP11 SE on this, and I'm using the concert grand's my favorite one. The setting, the first piano, I'm using the second one because it has a little bit more of an edge to the tone. That kind of captures that guitar sound that I want when I'm doing this guitar picking stuff on the piano. So makes it translate pretty well. As we get to the board, we got some flats in here. And don't be afraid of flats. It's just a matter of playing them for a while, then you get used to them. Okay? So we're going to start with B flat on the right hand, then D flat with our 2 finger. So thumb 2, and then E flat with our 3rd finger back to D flat, and then F G with 4/5. Bum ba bum ba bum bum. It's kind of a swing rhythm. La 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 la. All right, and then an F right at the end. Ba 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 bum bum. Okay, so there's 2 guitars going on. I tried to mix them as best I could to make the sound good on piano. I think it sounds pretty good. So as we add that left hand, we'll have an E flat on the 3rd finger. Okay, and then we'll have a B flat on the 5th finger and then a G on the thumb. And then back to the E flat. So if I play that together at the beginning, right, and then together on that one, then back to D flat, and then together on the E flat and the F, then the G comes in between, and then left and the right. So it's bum, 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 bum. As you practice it, make sure you're doing it correctly. Don't play it so fast that you keep messing up, because you will memorize the mistake. We don't want to do that. So let's go from the beginning again. Bum, 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 bum. After you do it enough times, okay? And not too much pedal on it. If you're on an acoustic piano, you cannot push the pedal all the way down. That'll give you just a little bit of sustain. That'll help you. Okay, we go to the next measure. The right hand's going to have an A flat now. So we move down just a little bit. Then we're going to play that A flat again with E flat this time, 1 and 3. And then we'll go ba ba ba, A flat, E flat, A flat, 5 3 1. So dun dun da da da. Left hand has B flat C, and then C again, and then E flat. So it's kind of weird when you first do it because it doesn't seem like piano music, and it's not. But if you don't use too much pedal, it'll really capture that guitar sound, that guitar picking sound of the 2 pianos. So we put that together now. We worked on the first measure, work on the second one. Now let's tie them together. Really bring out that B flat C. Okay, again. Next measure. So kind of similar to the first one. B flat, D flat, E flat, D flat, F, E flat, D flat, F, da 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 da. The left hand we're going to have B flat and F with finger 5 and 2, then a G on the thumb, then an E flat, and then the B flat and G together, then F, and then E flat. So you put them slowly together. So that D flat's all by itself, and you play that together, right, and then together on the F and D flat, and then E flat and F. So let's practice it slowly. So here we go. Again. See, I'm being really careful with my pedal not to blur anything. In fact, it'd be better to not use any pedal than to use too much on it. So I'm going to attach that now at the beginning and go. So kind of using the pedal just to give me some reverberation, just a little bit of, of wetness to the tone, not really to hold notes over, okay? So the last measure here we have B flat C again, like we had over here, bum, 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 bum. And then the right hand, A flat on the thumb up to E flat, and then the A flat, E flat, A flat, okay? So that measure is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 measures. Now we tie them together and see if we can do that. And this might take you a couple of days for some of you. Some of you might get it in half an hour. All right, just depending on your skill level. But definitely don't move on until you have 1 measure down. Okay? All right, 1, 2, beginning, go. All right. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that part 1. A lot of fun to play that, to do guitar on piano. Then later on, we play it in more of a piano style after that. So we kind of get the best of both worlds of this. I think you'll really like this arrangement. If you are a member of the website, you can download the sheet. I recommend that if you're on there. So hope you guys had a great time. Talk to you later.